By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of the transformative power of committing to 30 push-ups daily for 1 month. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. So, let's get into it. What happens when you commit to 30 push-ups every day for a month? It's more than just a physical challenge. It's a journey of self-discipline, consistency, and mental fortitude. To start, push-ups are a fantastic compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Doing them daily can lead to significant strength gains and muscle definition. In the first week, you might find it tough. Your muscles will likely feel sore, and you may struggle to complete all 30 push-ups in one go. This is completely normal, especially if you're new to this exercise. But don't worry, this initial discomfort is a sign that your body is adapting and getting stronger. As you progress into the second week, you'll start noticing improvements. Your form will get better, and the push-ups will feel more manageable. This is when the real transformation begins. Your chest and arm muscles will become more defined, and your core will get stronger. You might also notice improved posture and increased upper body endurance. By the third week, you'll likely see visible changes in your physique. Your upper body will appear more toned, and you'll have more confidence in your physical abilities. This is also the time when many people start to feel a boost in their mental health. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which can help reduce stress and improve your mood. In the final week, you'll feel like a push-up pro. Hitting 30 push-ups will feel like a breeze, and you might even challenge yourself to do more. The consistent effort will have paid off, showing a noticeable transformation in your strength, muscle tone, and overall fitness level. The key to this journey is consistency. Sticking to the daily routine, even when it gets tough, is what will lead to the best results. Remember to listen to your body and give yourself rest if needed, but try to stay committed to your goal. This 30-day push-up challenge is more than just about physical transformation. It's about proving to yourself that you can set a goal and achieve it through dedication and hard work. It's about building a habit that can lead to a healthier, more active lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you more valuable health and fitness content. Thank you for watching. Your dedication to your fitness journey is truly inspiring. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.